Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this queen bed frame from Yaheetech that they sent this one to me for the video. I have to say a couple of things about this one. Number one, the assembly. I'm going to show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but the assembly process was fairly simple. I have to say that I'm not super happy about like putting together bed frames, but this one was actually pretty easy. I have to say that comes with everything you need. If you have power tools, it's going to be much better. I think this one took me, I want to say like in fairly between 25 to 30 minutes. If you have help, it's going to take you probably like 20 minutes or so. And with power tools, remember using power tools, I think it's very important for these type of things. It comes with brackets right here on each one, metal brackets actually in each one of these corners, making to be kind of like super firm, stable, and supporting a lot of weight, because that's the other thing that I want to talk about this frame. It supports almost 800 pounds. It's 794, so I'm going to say just almost 800 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot. And talking about the size, this is 84 long by 64 wide by 19 inches long. I want to say tall, sorry about that. So 84, 64, 19. I do want to say that this comes with this kind of like support right here, which are made of wood, which I think it's good. I do prefer the metal ones, but after trying it with my mattress, and I'm gonna bring back in a few seconds just so you can see the whole thing, you're gonna see that it's pretty firm and stable. I do really like this fabric over here that you can see that is super soft to the touch. It is really, really soft. It's a little bit padded as well. So this kind of like headboard is padded, but you can see that you can make this and then just like put it back in the same shape. I really like this fabric. It's super, super soft to the touch and makes it to be kind of like stylish as well with these stitches all over. These are the metal brackets with L shape that I was telling you before that makes it to be super firm and super stable. It comes with the legs as well, that these are wooden legs, but in the middle you're gonna find the support with the metal legs as well. So that's really important in having it to be super firm and stable. And it also comes with the same fabric all over the actual bed frame. You can take a closer look over here to the whole frame. So I was telling you before, super frame, like super firm and stable actually, with the support and the legs and the wooden parts, and also that fabric all over the 84 by 64 inches of the bed frame. And now you can see it with the mattress right here, which by the way, is a pretty tall mattress. I have to say this is an 18 inches tall mattress. So you can see that fits perfectly right there with the headboard. And it gives like a really nice support. I have to say that having a bedroom that supports almost 800 pounds, meaning that two people are going to fit perfectly here, I think it's really good. With really good support, with the metal legs, with a really nice and easy assemble, and that fabric that looks super, super nice and stylish, and also it's really soft to the touch as well. The metal brackets L shape on the corner is going to make it to be super firm and stable. So I have to say that this may be a must-have mattress for your house if you need something like this. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.